Many people have identified and confirmed that intermittent fasting is one of surest paths towards the much-desired weight loss journey. However, in a world where we are faced with different choices of fast foods and mouth-watering homemade cuisines, it has become increasingly difficult to take on intermittent fasting. As many would say, the spirit is willing but the body is weak. But guess what? I have good news for you. Our team at Ask Ajc Health have taken time to research step-by-step process of what you need to do, how to do it, and when to do it. It is more like intermittent fasting simplified. Are you ready to begin that amazing journey towards achieving the ultimate goal of weight loss, good health, and a healthier you? Let's find out how. Welcome to Ask Ajc Health YouTube channel. On this channel, we are 100% concerned about your overall good health, well-being, and lifestyle. Feel free to visit our health and wellness blog and join our online community at Ask Ajc Health website, www.askajchealth.com. And do not forget to like and subscribe to this YouTube channel. This will help with YouTube algorithms in showing you quality content such as this. Let's jump right in. No doubt, intermittent fasting is a great way to lose weight and improve your health. But it can be tough to stick to. In few minutes I am going to share with you cheat codes that will help you make it easier to follow the intermittent fasting plan and get the results you desire. Step number 1. Choose the right fasting window. Choosing the right fasting window is key to the success of intermittent fasting. There are many different ways to do intermittent fasting, but the most common is to fast for 16 hours and eat for 8 hours. You can also try a 14-10 fast, a 12-12 fast, or even a shorter fast if you are just starting out. Step number 2. Plan your meals. Once you know how long you are going to be fasting, it's time to plan your meals. Make sure to eat plenty of healthy foods during your eating window. This will help you stay energized and avoid overeating when you break your fast. Step 3. Stay hydrated. It's important to stay hydrated during your fast. Drink plenty of water, unsweetened tea, or coffee. Avoid sugary drinks, as they can break your fast. Step 4. Exercise. Exercise is a great way to boost your metabolism and burn fat. If you are new to intermittent fasting, start with light exercise and gradually increase the intensity as you get more comfortable with the plan. Step 5. Be patient. Intermittent fasting sometimes takes time to trickle in. Don't get discouraged if you don't see results right away. Just keep at it and you will eventually reach your goals and achieve the highly coveted goal of weight loss and a healthier you. Here are additional more cheat codes. Start slowly. If you are new to fasting, start with a shorter fast, such as 12 hours. And gradually increase the length of your fast as you get more comfortable with it. Find a fasting buddy. Having someone to support you can make it easier to stick to your plan. Don't be afraid to cheat. If you slip up and eat outside of your fasting window, don't beat yourself up. Just get back on track the next day. Make it a lifestyle. Intermittent fasting is not a temporary diet. It's a lifestyle change that can help you improve your health and lose weight long-term. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and most importantly, please subscribe to our channel. That way we will continue to bring you great contents and more health tips. See you on the next video.